Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So for you to be able to appear offline, or you want people to track your activities online on Instagram, here's how you can get it done. You scroll down and click on Instagram app on your phone, then you launch it. After that, you click on your profile icon. Then you click on the three light dots. Okay, you click on the three dots line. Then from there you scroll down a little, then you click on messages and story replies. Okay, good. From here then you click on story replies. Alright. Okay, I made a mistake. Show activity status. Then you click on show activity status. And from here you can decide to turn this off, which is the activities online. Once you turn it off, people will not be able to see it online, and you're just gonna turn it off. You can see it's off right now, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.